A quick, simple and tasty bowl of cauliflower which can be enjoyed as a snack or side dish. Hello everyone, welcome to Fulaw's Kitchen. Today I am sharing a very simple recipe, so let's get started. We are going to prepare this cauliflower bowl without any spices, so it's perfect for kids or anyone who doesn't love spices. So here in a 2 tablespoon of oil, I have added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, again optional, you can avoid it, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and quarter teaspoon of turmeric. So we are going to cook everything for around 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then we are going to add 1 medium size of onion, thinly sliced. Cook the onion for 1 to 2 minutes. We are not going to fully cook the onion, it's just 1 to 2 minutes on medium-low flame. And then we are going to add cauliflower. So here I have cut the cauliflower into medium size of small to medium size of pieces, as you can see, and it's long florets. And here I am adding just half a teaspoon of salt, not salt according to taste, because we are going to add few very interesting ingredients at the end. So please keep watching and just add enough salt so that the cauliflower can cook. And the key to keep the florets nice and separated, after cutting the florets, either you can blanch it, you can just put it in the hot water for 1 to 2 minutes, or you can cook it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. And after that, you put it in the strainer and leave it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. What we don't want is the water or moisture in the cauliflower florets. And this also helps the cauliflower florets to cook fast. So just cook it on medium flame for 1 to 2 minutes open, and then we are going to cover and cook. It roughly takes around 10 to 12 minutes for the cauliflower to cook nicely. And once the cauliflower cooks, then we are going to add few ingredients. It's been around 15 to 16 minutes altogether and our cauliflower is cooked well. So now here I am adding some peri-peri salt. So at this point, it's totally up to you. What is your taste bud? What seasoning do you like to use? You can add that. So my kids love peri-peri salt. So I'm adding peri-peri salt. I'm adding chaat masala. You can add sriracha. You can add garlic powder. So it's totally up to you. So for kids, it's perfect. Hope you are going to give it a try, and it would be lovely to know whether you enjoy it as a side dish or as a snack. Thank you for watching.